Open the box. Take out the shower head and handle. Connect the shower head and handle. 2 brackets, 59-inch water hose. Visualize shower handle. Easily replaceable filter. Gear shift to switch 5 spray modes. Meets various water needs. Standard interface suitable for most water pipes. Strong water pressure, water saving. Convenient for cleaning. One-touch switch for freely controlling water flow. Detachable shower head, instantly transforms into a spray gun. Easily rinse stubborn stains. Fixed bracket installation method. Adhesive bracket installation method.